All right, so we're gonna make our very own Play-Doh, okay? Now look at this. What do you see?
Hot.
You see hot? What's it doing?
Steaming.
Steaming, right? Yeah.
I like
So Miss Melinda's gonna do this part so you don't get burnt, okay? But you're gonna mix it in your bowl. So I want you to be very careful, okay?
because it's hot.
So Josh, you're gonna go first, okay? So you take this and this. You're going to pour some inside your bowl, inside your measuring cup, okay? I want you to do it.
I want to do it a little bit.
Okay? You gotta fill this up and then you're gonna dump it in your bowl. Go ahead, it's okay. Don't worry, we're gonna clean up the mess when we're done. Okay, good job. All right, Bray. It's gonna be your turn. Good
I'm
job.
gonna mix it now.
You gotta add some of this too. Okay, this is baking soda.
Yay, baking soda.
Okay, hold
I
that.
love that. I'll eat that. Okay.
Good job, Bray. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, go ahead, dump it in. Good job. Go ahead, Josh.
It's heavy.
All right, Quinny,
It's heavy.
there you go. It helps if you dump it over the bowl. Then at least it's going in the bowl. Nope, do more.
Okay.
Careful. Good job.
I'm gonna do
All right, pour it in. And we're
Oh,
gonna
la,
do
la,
it.
la, la. That's a lot.
That's a lot.
I
All
did
right.
a lot.
Good job, Quinny.
I did a lot of this.
That's okay. We can clean it up. Here, Ty.
Okay.
Over the bowl. Okay?
We're gonna clean it with water too.
Miss Melinda will clean it up when we're all done. Okay? Here, you want me to hold this for you? Okay, you pour, I'll
That's a
hold.
lot.
Good job, Ty. Pour it in. All right,
Ty,
now
good
put that
job.
back in the middle for me, Ty. You need help? Yeah. Tip, 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 tip. Shake, 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 shake.
Mix
Shake.
it, mix it. Wait,
All
I can
right,
see
there we go.
Wait, Miss Linda, look at that. It's
All right,
coming
Quinny.
out of the sand.
Here you go. All right, now I'm gonna give
It's coming out the
Josh
sand.
and Bray, I'm gonna give you hot water.
Yeah.
You need to be careful when you're mixing, okay? We're gonna start out with a little bit. Okay. Ooh, what's it doing? It's bubbling. Ready, Josh?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. What's happening?
It's bubble.
It's bubbling. All right, mix it very carefully, okay?
I'm gonna make my D.
You got it? Good job. Your turn. Here you go, baby. Dump it over the bowl. I'm gonna give Quinn some water. Oh my goodness. It is bubbling. Careful.
I played a cup.
Yeah.
I'm getting super.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Me too. I got the.
Yeah, hold on 1 second, okay?
There's no more fruit or no more.
Is it in the bowl?
Let's go.
Miss Melinda's gonna dump a little bit in there, okay? There we go. Alright, ready?
This object.
Keep mixing. Keep mixing.
Mm-hmm.
Get all the way in the bottom. Make sure you mix it all up. Good job, Quinny. Keep going. Is it mixed all the way?
I'm not doing
You're doing good. Keep going. You got it. Make sure you pick up the stuff on the bottom with your spoon, right?
Yeah.
Good. There you go. You're digging in there. There you go.
I'm digging. Like
Good
rubber.
job, Ty.
Like rubber.
Ty, we might have to add more stuff to yours. What do you think? Should we add more?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Ah.
Here, look, you have stuff on the...
Play-doh now.
You have stuff here, too.
Good job, Josh.
and silly. Put it in your bowl. Yeah, pick that up. Put that in your bowl. Keep going, Quinny. Mix, mix, mix. Look, to get this over here. Mila, you okay?
Yeah.
Mila, you alright? Alright, we're gonna add some more. Alright, go ahead, mix it up. Nope, yours is really good. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. I know it's so hard. Mix, mix, mix. Go ahead, mix it up. See what happens. Good job, Quinny. Get this over here. You got it? You want to use your fingers? Yeah? But don't get it in your hair. Go ahead, tell me what it feels like.
It's hot.
No, it's mixed up. What does it feel like?
8,
I know.
9,
Mine too. Messy.
You can touch it. Tell me what it feels like. What's yours feel like, Josh?
Sticky.
It's sticky?
Yeah.
Ty, what's yours feel like? Is it watery? Whoa!
Ruby, did yours explode? Yours explode.
Good job.
No.
What's it feel like,
Oh
Quinny?
my god. I'm almost done. Now it's on your shirt. Water.
It feels like water?
Now it's on your shirt.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. It can clean off.
You can clean it off. Now it's on your elbow. Now it's on your elbow. Now it's on your elbow.
I know, it's everywhere. That's okay.
Are we going to clean ourselves?
Are you all done?
Not yet.
Okay, so keep
We need to add
mixing.
colors to it.
Oh, my goodness.
Then we have to...
Here, can I help you? No, you hold it. You hold it.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done, Miss
Good.
Linda.
Dig.
Oh no.
Dig.
Miss Linda.
Yeah, baby.
We need to add colors to it.
We are going to add colors to it.
I need to get the bottom.
It's stuck.
There you go.
I like
Good job.
blue. Hi, Mila. I'm done.
Good job.
I'm done.
You're all done?
Yes.
Okay. You can go wash your hands and get ready to go eat.
Colors.
Ooh. Good job.
Colors.
Yeah, babe?
Messy hands, don't touch it. Colors. Are we going to do?
Yeah, we're going to do it later, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm so excited.
Good? Yeah.